Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Laura and this is Rebecca.
So in today's video we are bringing you a Hobbycraft haul. So we have been shopping, good times, now that we can actually go in a store again, that's quite fun, to see what they have got for their 2022 wedding collections. So we're focusing on kind of like wedding day, so not like hen party run up stuff, but the products that they have brought out for this year's wedding season. So yeah, just a quick look at what they've got on offer.
Yeah, so we're looking at a couple of different brands sold in Hobbycraft. So the first thing I've got is from Ginger Ray, who do lots of different party wear, but this is like decor for your wedding venue, and it's these strands of Faux Wisteria. So you get 4 strands per pack, and I think they're 1 metre long each, and that's £9. So you can kind of hang this up maybe behind your top table or just in various parts of your venue, just to add something a bit extra.
And following on the kind of decoration front, again actually from Ginger Ray as it happens, is this backdrop of large pastel streamers. So again, might work nicely as sort of a photo booth prop backdrop, or behind, as Laura said, your sweetheart table, something like that, or just as people come in, so you can have a nice little snap as people come in. So yeah, nice, really simple touch. This one is £8.
So it's something else we saw but haven't got with us because it was a little bit too big for this video, are these like moon gate arches, like big...
I think they just call them circles on there.
Circles, yeah. Okay. So you may have seen these all over Pinterest, where maybe behind your ceremony, like a ceremony venue, or behind, again, top table, sweetheart table, like a big arch or circle, maybe covered in flowers, or maybe a sign within it.
Yeah, sort of like suspended down the middle.
So Hobbycraft now are stocking these as well.
They are on trend.
Yeah. So the larger one is 2.4 metres in diameter.
And so that's perfectly big enough for like you to stand in front of, just give you context.
Definitely. And that was £50. But they also do a smaller one that's 1 metre in diameter, which may be perfect for maybe a cake table. So if you could put your cake in front of it and it's framed by this archway, and that was £30.
Yes.
Yeah. So a couple of maybe slightly more budget-friendly options if you're not having maybe a venue stylist or don't want to go to the expense of hiring one. This might be a better option for you.
Yeah, yeah. I was actually surprised to see this kind of thing in a place like Hobbycraft. Like, I don't mean to disparage her, but we love Hobbycraft.
Yeah,
but yeah, I think it's not something I expected, I guess, to be able to easily buy myself on the high street.
No.
As a product, so I think that's really cool. So next I have this acrylic table sign. I don't know how much, we'll show you the close-up, which is £2.50. They come in both this circular shape, and there was also a rectangle as well, which just sits inside this wooden block so they can stand up on their own. This is great for your reception tables, so they know what table number or name or whatever it is, or sure, there's lots of other ways you could use it as sort of signs, for example, for like your cake table, or your sort of sign the guest book, something like that. So this is a kind of DIY project for you, so an element of that. In fact, we have made something similar, like with acrylic, using our Cricut machines, which also Hobbycraft related there. So if you have a Cricut machine, you have lots of opportunities to do this, but you can also often buy sort of vinyls and things online if you want to go that route. But we'll also link that video where we did a bit of something similar with it below if you want some inspiration there.
Now I've got something else that would kind of be entryway to your reception, something important, a card box. So this is rose gold in colour, just says cards. It's quite a simple one, Hobbycraft brand, and that's £4. So if you're not it's not something you want to spend a lot of time or money on, your card box, it's just something simple to put out. It's clear what it is. Signpost for people to put their wedding cards in, and does the job.
Next up, we are talking table tags. So we picked up sort of the 3 different designs that they had on offer whilst I was in store. So again, just depending what kind of look you're going for your wedding. So again, they've got different options of these table numbers that you're just gonna like hang from something either on your tables or maybe incorporating it into your table plan in the entryway, depending what look you're going for and what design. There are 12 in each of the packs and they are £1.50.
Yeah.
£1.50. And these ones, in case you're looking for them online, they're all Hobbycraft own brand, but we'll put product links in the description box below to help you out.
Okay, the next thing I've got is from a brand called Hootyballoo, which is not a brand I'd heard of before.
No.
And it's these wedding sign stencils. So you may have seen, again, online inspiration, all these signs like welcome to our wedding. So it's an easy way to DIY that kind of thing yourself. So all you need is either card or foam board, and then maybe, I guess, some paint. And there's lots of different stencils. So there's the welcome to our wedding one, there's the alphabet, so you can maybe add your names, and then there's other things, so like dance floor, wedding, bar, this way. So if you wanted to add more signage around the wedding, but all in the same style, it's an easy way to kind of keep it all consistent
and neat. And
yeah, and that's £5 for the pack of stencils. Yeah, so I don't think that's too bad.
Yeah. So next up we are talking Favours. So you can buy Favour bags, aplenty in there, but specifically we're showing you this week is these seed bags by Club Green, which is not a company I'm familiar with, but basically as Favours, I've actually been to a wedding where I've had Caesars.
Yeah, I have as well, actually. I think.
And they've said things like, well, like this says, let love grow. So it's that kind of reminder in the garden kind of thing as the years go on of the day they shared with you. And obviously from a kind of environmental point of view and pollinators, all that kind of thing. It's kind of a really lovely touch as a gift. So you get 20 of those bags in this pack and they are £3.
So all you'd need to do is get some different seeds.
Add your seeds.
Yeah.
Add seeds and go. But yeah, they're quite pretty and sweet.
Yeah. So something I've got here are just some envelope seals. So if you're, I guess, doing your own invitations, if you're making some little pouches for confetti or something like that, just a way to seal the envelopes in a bit of a nicer way than maybe just sticking it down with a bit of Pritt stick.
But like extra touches.
So there you get 10 sheets per pack and they are £2.50.
So our final item today, kind of following on from the one Laura just talked about envelope seals, they have wax seals available in there. So I think that adds a touch of class to any kind of sealing needs.
Yeah, a bit more luxurious with the wax seals.
Yes. So each of these things are £5 each, and you've got the stamp and then the wax to melt as well. There is a section of colours that you could pick from in store, so bear that in mind. These ones are the silver ones. And again, from the brand that we've been mentioning a little bit today, the Hootyballoo. And again, there was a couple of different stamp choices. You see, we picked the heart-shaped one, but there was also one that said love on the bottom, so whatever goes with your colour theme and your general theme and preferences. But yeah, I thought that was quite a nice touch at a decent price point, because I think you can pay quite a lot to do this, and it can be quite complicated, but the process actually sounds relatively straightforward. I haven't tried it.
So don't hold us to that.
Yes. But yeah, that's those.
So we'd love to hear if you have a go at that yourself and let us know how that went. And also, if there's anything you've seen here that you want to go and pick up for your own wedding. Everything we've mentioned will be linked in the description box below, so you can go and have a peruse of the website and see if there's anything else as well that takes you fancy.
Online shopping.
Yeah. Give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.